Hello, welcome to Petal B e-learning fundamentals. We are doing the face-to-face session today. Here's the program for the day. From 9 to about 10:15, we'll be recapping on what we've done for our e-learning course, and we'll talk about two models that you may find useful to help you to create your e-learning lessons. For example, the BSCS 5E and the SAMR approach. After that, we'll take a short break and then we'll come back to doing digital tools. This is the session that we are in now. This face-to-face workshop is part of the whole Petal B introduction for new lecturers. You have already done the e-learning session for the 1 to 2 hours, and then now we are at the face-to-face session. After this, there's a little homework for you to do, and you can share how you use digital tools in your lesson. Goodbye.